this is Ajmi Gupta, and today I am representing my assignment that is given by the neighborhood, that is React News Portal. Let's come to the assignment overview. That is a developer responsive React application that displays news article fetched from the public API. So here I use API, that is news API, and here I also use actual news. Page layout, category filtering, pagination, and detailed article view, and API integration. And here I also use state management and advanced option. I can also use the favorite. But technical requirement, they are asking for fetching API for making API calls. And here I use CSS and bootstrap and also use state for network request. So this is the assignment that is given by the neighbor. Good. Now come to my GitHub account. This is my GitHub account. Here I uh, push my code from VS Code to here, and here some DB file, and this is my Vercel online Vercel live link for this React News Portal application. So let's come to the VS Code. Here, this is my VS Code. Here I use React JS for implement this application. And here these are the folder. This is node module that is used in the React.js by using the create React app. And here I use components. So there are many different types of components like for article details, for article list, and category filtering that is used for category filtering. Here I use dispatch from React Redux and one minute. This is the package.json. It is my first entry part. Here, I they are dependency. They are nine dependency like Axios to connect to fetch the API. I use and .env is used to security to secure the secret key. And here I'm using Node 1 for current runner point. And here I'm using React and React DOM, React Redux, and all are pre-given dependency that is given by the React system. And here also in index, let's come to index.js. It is a root app. Here root is given by the index.js, and here I'm importing app.js here, and also rendering here app.js. Let's come to the app.js. In app.js I also import many component, that is article list, category filter, and pagination. And also for CSS and for designing purpose I use app.cs that is defined here. And also I'm providing provider and store from the get redux and redux store. Here I am using provider just to use the store. And this is the category filter article list and pagination that is given by the renting. And here it is the CSS part. Here I am giving the styling part of my app that is given by me. And let's come to the component. First I give article details. There are article details here, some article details, and we can use like this, read more. Now come to the article list. This is the main part, that is article list. Here I give two condition, that is if status is equal to loading, then it will return loading. Otherwise, if it is fail, then it will give me this para error loading articles. This is my array list, and similarly I here imported use selector, use dispatch, fetch news, and use effect and loading from the loading. And here is a category filter I have used in this. And similarly I import some needed this class and set category. And this is my loading js. It only used for loading purpose, and it will show me this para by the use of loading. This is my pagination. Here I use pagination at is called from at is given in the problem statement. I use pagination. Now come to the Redux part. Here the I use store.js that is used for new reducer. Here I use this, and now this is a new slice. Yeah, here I use API. This and for this I have used .env file to show my API key. That is my secret key that is given here. And this is the base URL from which I have adopted this API key. So this base URL is used here to fetch the news from the API. So this is the main program here. This is the main program or API here that I use in newslight.js in Linux. So this is my VS Code. So let's come and start our project. 1 minute. I'm giving and can start here. And now wait for a second. Uh, It's loading now. Yeah. Here React News Portal. This is a React News project portal. Here I used this API to fetch the news from the portal, from the news API by using a key, use API key, and here I use pagination. You can see clearly. And if I want to switch, like if I want to business class news, I want to read business class, then I can switch here, and here they define me any similar business class news. And here is a technology base. You can refer by this. This is the technology base, and here I am using entertainment, so I can fetch news from the API. And if I want to read more about this fashion, then I can click on this read more option, and here all the entertain on the news from this card is 1 minute. Okay. Here hyperspeed. This is the entertainment part. So here all other suggestions are also fetched here. So you can fetch API and you can read about that. So this is my React News portal, and here you can say that my application is running successfully. So this is the news portal app. Thank you.